My name is Tibor Hegyi, and I'm representing here not only one but two companies. The first is META-INF. We are Atlassian partners since 2007, and now we are Platinum level solution partners. For those who don't know Atlassian, I'll tell you that this is an Austrian-based global software company. They are the vendor of Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, Trello, and a lot more products. Our company portfolio is pretty simple. We do everything related to Atlassian and its products. Consultancy, implementation of processes, trainings, customizations, and a lot more. We believe that the Atlassian products and the ecosystem around these products are powerful enough to solve many, many problems companies face with. The other company I'm representing now is CodeCanvas. CodeCanvas is all about testing and software quality in general. They are experts in automations and continuous integration as well. They are devoted to using the most cutting-edge technologies, and they are providing software companies with the quality they deserve. We joined forces together 2 years ago, and we're now strategic partners. We have a training course on DevOps and test management that we do together. On this slide, what you see is a diagram of a typical development or DevOps loop. Most companies follow this process at a large or small scale. The main steps are planning a software, building it, integrating it, deploying it, operating it, and gathering all the feedbacks from this. The more fluent and flawless this process is, the better for the companies. Proper software development methods like Agile, Scrum, Kanban, extensive and automated testing with the integrated suite of tools are crucial elements of their success. We are here at HUSTEF because we believe that we can have solutions for all of these aspects, and we can share these solutions with you. The most companies we meet face similar challenges when they want to improve their development processes. I'll mention a few. They may sound similar or familiar for you as well. These companies normally have requirements. They have user stories. They have test cases and test results. But in many cases, they are stored in independent, unconnected, not integrated, siloed systems. Or, on the contrary, they use some large, monolithic legacy systems to try to store everything, but it's ultimately a pain to use. Is it possible to store all of this information in one single flexible system and then visualize the interrelation between these elements, just like the traceability matrix you can see on my t-shirt? This is just one example. The other challenge is code changes. The code changes very frequently and fast by the development teams. This is normal, but tests will fail just as fast too. How can we know which committed changes cause our tests fail? Just down to the lines of the source code. How frequently get this feedback? Minutes after the commit we do, or days after that? Test results, how can we map the test results and build the results to changes in the code? Okay, what if we do have test cases? What if we do testing? How can we understand the overall status and progress of our testing efforts? How can we visualize or report them when it's needed? These were just a few examples of the problems companies face with. Do you remember the DevOps loop I mentioned before and showed you before? We believe that Atlassian tools provide an integrated environment and framework to achieve this success, to achieve an ultimate efficiency. This, complemented with the testing skills, is what we brought to HUSTEF and to you. And this is what we can show you and demonstrate at our booth. Also, you can learn more about our training course that is dedicated to DevOps and test management. And this course allows you to gain the necessary skills and best practices to achieve everything at your company. Also, at our stand, our booth, we have games and prizes, including a huge teddy bear to win. Your kids would love to play with. So thank you very much. Enjoy this fantastic conference and see you at our booth. Thank you.